Sir, it's not allowing me to share the screen.
Yeah, I will. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ready all of you? You have to sing with me, okay? Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallabham कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं तुम आके जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहता है भगवान नाचते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान नाचते नहीं गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं गोपी की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम ऑल ऑफ यू सिंग हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की ये वेरी गुड all of you. Did you enjoy today's bhajan? Yes, thumbs up. You can
Yes.
sing it every day. You know this bhajan. You can sing it every day. You can teach it to your mama and daddy.
Very
Yes?
nice. Good job, children. Very good.
Very good. Now, I want to start this session with little exercise. We want to give exercise to our brain. Okay? You're doing everyday exercise for your body, right? You're running, you're doing yoga, you're doing gymnastic. I don't want you to do that now. I want you to just sit down. Okay? I want everyone to sit properly. Sit properly down. Very good. I can see all of you. Okay, Nishita, can you please sit down? I want everyone to sit properly in front of the screen. No one should be jumping on the bed. I can see few children jumping on the bed. Don't do that. Sit, because if you sit, then only we can do this exercise. Okay? And when you're doing this, I want you to sit near the table or you can sit on the ground because our palms will be on the ground or on the table. Okay, so this exercise, whatever exercise I'll show you, this will make your left and right brain very fast. You will have a very sharp memory. Okay, so just let me know if you can see my palms.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start? Can you see my palms, everyone? You have to do it. Okay, if your mama and daddy are with you, ask mama and daddy to sit with you. Okay, so you both can do it in front of each other. Okay, so first exercise, look at my palms. Can you all try it? See, alternately I am closing my palm. We will do each exercise 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is easy, right? Very easy.
Everybody
Next
do
one,
it. Everybody do
everyone
this.
do it.
Very nice. Good job. Wow.
Okay, so
Very
the
good.
next exercise, keep your one palm facing the sky or the ceiling and the one palm should be down. Okay, so next, turn it. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wasn't it easy? Very easy, right? So the next one, see, keep your thumb pressed down and your other fingers will come close and they'll go far. They'll come close, they'll go far. Close, far. Close, far. Okay, shall we count? Don't move your thumb, okay? Don't move your thumb's position. Keep the thumb locked in one place. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Done? Now next one, see? Tap, stand, and punch. Tap, stand, punch. Tap, stand, punch. Tap, stand, punch. Can you follow this sequence? Tap, stand, punch. Tap, stand, punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is one more exercise. Now see the other one. If you can do it, okay, you have to try it. Okay, you can do peacock. You know how to make a peacock, right? So keep your peacocks like this, and one hand finger should be open and the other should be closed. Now close it alternately. Try, everyone, try. Even I am trying. See, very good. Kenisha, I can see you doing it. You're doing it very nicely. Very nice. Okay. Now, the next one is you need to point like this. Okay. With one hand, you are supposed to show your 2 fingers. And with one hand, you have to show 1 finger. Okay. Now, one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Was it easy? Very good, Kushagra. Very nice. Very nice. Now, Incy Wincy spider. You all can do Incy Wincy spider, right? See, make Incy Wincy cross. Cross. Incy Wincy. See, thumb and pointer, thumb and pointer. Thumb and pointer, thumb and pointer. Incy Wincy spider. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now the next is, see this, if you can do a rectangle. See. Now alternate it. Yes. Are you able to follow? It might be little tricky for the nursery smaller kids, but at least you can do the Incy Wincy spider. Yes? Very good. Now, you have played stone, paper, scissor with your friend. I know all of you how to play stone, paper and scissor with your friend. But do you know, you are having already two friends. So this is left hand, this is right hand. Yes, you can play stone, paper, scissor with your two hands. Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor. No points. Stone, paper, scissor. Rap. Stone, paper, scissor. So you can play stone, paper, scissor because here you're dealing with both sides of your brain, the left and the right side. So with this, you can increase your memory power. At the end of the session, I will teach you a memory game too, which you can play with your parents. Okay, that we'll do at the end if we get the time. Okay, so these are few. Again, there is one more scene. Join your all the fingers tip to tip top. See, only the tips. Okay, and now leave one by one. Leave one by one. Now thumb, first thumb, leave the thumbs, leave the pointers, leave the tall man, leave the ring man, and then leave the pinky. Again, now when joining, let us start with pinky. Yes, join the pinky, join the ring man, join the tall man, then the pointer finger, and the thumb. Shall we do one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So this you can continue doing. So this will make your brain very fast. It will make your brain very quick. Okay. Now next we will be having some eye exercises. You're watching a lot of TV, right? All of you? Are you watching a lot of cartoons? No? And you're doing so many online sessions till this lockdown period gets over, right? So I want everyone to have exercise for your eyes, okay? Because we are using a lot of screen time, okay? So for that, see, you have to look. You're not supposed to move your neck. Don't move your neck. You have to look straight, and this just you need to see, okay? Keep your neck straight, and then up, down. We will do first exercise, up, down, okay? Up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. No one will move their neck, okay? Don't move your neck. Sarth, can you do? Sarth, can you do the exercise? It will keep your eyes very nice, okay? Because if you're using so much screen time, you might get specs. So please don't do that. Do some exercise for your eyes also. Next, left, right, okay? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Now we will go rolling our eyeballs. Okay, clockwise, like the clock goes, and anti-clockwise. So first we will go clockwise. Okay, you have to go slowly. There is no rush. First you look top, then slowly side, then slowly down, then to your left, and then up. Again, do the same. Go slowly, stretch your eyeballs. Okay, so this is clockwise. Now you do the same thing anti-clockwise, the reverse way. Okay, the ulta direction. Okay, go left, go down, on your right, and up, left, down, right, up. Okay, in this way clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Now what will we do? Now blink, everyone blink your eyes. Blink your eyes for some time. Blink fast. Blink. Very good. Now, do you have a pencil, a crayon, or a pen besides you? Take it. Okay, now what? you're supposed to do is take a pencil, crayon. Akshar, I cannot see you, beta. Come in front. Take a pencil and you need to hold it in front and you have to look continuously at the pencil. Okay, first the pencil is far away from you, it's straight. Then you have to slowly bring the pencil towards you and you have to look only at the pencil. Okay, now look slowly towards the pencil and don't move your eyes. Okay, continuously look at the pencil and bring the pencil close to your nose. Look at the pencil. And again, take it far, slowly, 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 slowly. Then again, take it close, slowly, 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 slowly. And slowly, 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 slowly far. Okay, so this you can do. Now, close your one eye. Close your one eye. Okay, and you have to do the same thing with your other eye, which is open. Okay, look at the pencil and slowly bring the pencil towards your eye and then slowly away from your eyes. You're not putting in the eyes, okay? And close the other eye with your palm or your fingers. Okay, like this also you can close. Okay, and slowly look at the pencil. Okay, now we'll continue, close the other eye and do the same thing with the other eye. Look at the pencil and watch the pencil with only one eye. Take it close, take it far, but it should be slow, okay? Don't do it fast. And be careful not to hurt your eyes. Very good. Now, these are the exercises which you have to do 2 to 3 times. Okay, so this will make your eyes very fresh. It will not hurt your eyes with the light of TV or the mobile or laptops. So try to do this exercise with mama and daddy. You take your daddy also because he's also working on phone and laptops right nowadays. So you take your daddy along with you and do this exercise every day, 2 to 3 times. Okay, morning, afternoon, and at night. One more exercise last is what you're supposed to do that we do in the school. We rub our palms, right? So we have to rub our palms fast for 10 seconds, okay? Till it becomes hot. You can feel it. Your palms have become hot, okay? And we are going to cover the eyes with our palms, not our fingers, okay? We have to rub our palms. Padmaja, rub your palms, beta. Rub, 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 rub. Yes, now I'm feeling my palms have become quite warm. Okay, now close your eyes with your palms. See, with your palms, not your fingers. With your palms. And then touch the fingers to your head, your skull. Okay, and wait for 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly, slowly open your eyes. Yes. Are you feeling fresh? Are you feeling fresh? Yes. Okay. So now we will start today's session. You tell me, I'm going to tell you a quiz. I'm going to ask you a riddle. Okay. You tell me whether you know this thing. Okay. So today we are going to learn about something which is a living thing. Okay. It is a living thing. What can it be? Think. It's a living thing. Okay. Second, this living thing gives us oxygen. Which is this thing which gives us oxygen? Think. If you have already guessed, think. And which is the living thing which gives us fruits and flowers? What is it? Yes, these are trees. Okay, so today we are going to I'm going to tell you some amazing facts about trees. I'll just share my screen. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see? Tree, see, such a beautiful tree. It's a golden shower tree. Can you see the yellow flowers? Look at the yellow flowers. They are so bright and so beautiful. So do you know the trees are our best friends? Okay. Tree is our best friend. Now, as India has a national flag, you all know India has a national flag. It has a national bird, peacock. You know that. India has a national animal, tiger. Similarly, India has national tree too, and it is banyan tree. You all must have seen this tree, okay? This is the banyan tree. And can you see this long stems which are coming from top and they are going towards the ground, okay? These are actually the roots. They go down towards the ground. And why banyan tree is selected as the India's national tree, do you know? See, India is having so many different types of people, different religion, different caste. There are Sikhs, there are Hindus, there are Muslims, there are Gujaratis, there are Rajasthanis. There are so many different type of people. Now, like the banyan tree is a shelter to so many different birds, animals, insects. It is a home, it is a shelter to so many animals. So this banyan tree represents India. So like banyan tree, our India also gives us all shelter. Yes. So India's national tree is the banyan tree. Okay. This is the banyan tree, the most beautiful tree. Okay. The long roots which come from the top, you swing. Maybe most of you must have, swinging on these roots. I used to do that when I was small. Okay. They go down towards the ground and a new plant comes up. So this is how they grow. Okay, the banyan trees. Now, you all must be knowing that trees gives us oxygen only during the daytime, and nighttime when they are sleeping, they gives us carbon dioxide. You all must be knowing this, right? But it is not true. There are few plants which gives us oxygen both during the day and during the night. Okay, do you know which are these plants? See, this is called Areca palm. Okay, on the left side, the first one. You can see my arrow. This is Areca palm. The second one is the aloe vera plant. This is the aloe vera plant. Your mama must be having this at home. She must be putting it on her face, on the hair. It is very good. Okay, so this is aloe vera. Yes, these are the snake plant. Look at the leaves. They are like snakes coming out of the pot. So they are called as the snake plant. And this is our national tree. It's the banyan tree, the small banyan tree. Okay, so these four plants are the plants which gives us oxygen throughout the day and night. So you can safely have these type of plants in your bedroom. Why generally we don't keep the plants in the bedroom is because when we are sleeping in the night, we both breathe. The plant is also breathing and we are also breathing. So there is only carbon dioxide. There is no oxygen. So generally we don't keep the plants in the bedroom. But these plants, the combination of areca palm, snake palm, and aloe vera acts as a purifier too. So it will give you oxygen in the night. It will purify the air, and day and night you will get fresh oxygen in your house. So you can plant these indoor plants and get fresh oxygen. Okay, whole day and night. Next, do you know which is the tallest tree? How tall is the tallest tree? Have you ever imagined how tall the tree can become? Have you ever imagined? No? See, I don't know if you can see this person. You follow my arrow. Here is a person standing with small speck. small dot on the ground. And you can see a giraffe. You can see how the big is oak tree, the rocket. So there is a tree which is biggest from these things, okay? Bigger than the rocket, bigger than the tallest tree in UK. It is even bigger than the massive clock, okay? So this is the tallest tree called the Hyperion, okay? Hyperion is the tallest tree in the world, okay? And it is located in US. It is in Redwood National Park, okay? On my right side, if you see, there is a family who is standing in front of this tree. We can only see in the camera, we can only see the bottom, okay? The trunk of the tree, which is near the ground. We cannot see the whole tree. So in the picture, I know someday even you will go there and we can see your pictures standing in front of this tall tree. Yes, see, the family is standing here. So this tree is the tallest tree, okay? It is in USA and it is in Redwood National Park. Okay, one day you go and send us pictures too. Next, do you know that trees can show us directions? Have you imagined that? We only know that trees cannot move, they cannot talk. But do you know trees can show us directions too? So if you want to know which is the north side and there is a cut tree, can you see here? It is a cut tree and it can show us a direction. See, the moss is growing here. This is the moss, okay? And it is growing towards the end where there is a north side. This is pointing the north side. On the south side, you will not see the trees or not see the moss, okay? But on the north side, you can see the moss, okay? And towards the north side, you can see the rings. These are the rings of the tree, okay? These round circles. If you cut a tree, if you have seen any cut a tree, don't cut a tree, but if you have seen already cut a tree and if you see the bark, it is having circles in the center, the rings, okay? And these rings are getting, these rings are getting wider towards the north direction. So the trees can show us the direction too. Also, the rings which are there in the center, and how many rings are there, the number of rings, it indicates the age of the tree. How old is it? Like you must be 3 years old, you are 4 years old. How will you know what is the age of that tree? So the rings on the tree will tell you the age of that tree, okay? So you'll not get lost if you know the direction, okay? Next, do you know the trees can communicate through each other? Yes, do you know this? See, the trees get connected with their roots. Can you see underground here? We can see the roots, they are connected with each other. And if there is any insect attack on the tree, or if the one tree is feeling any danger from anything, then what does it do? It sends the signals with the roots to the other tree. It sends the signal to the other tree with the roots, and it tells the plant there is some danger and you should take care of yourself. And what does the plant do? They have some dangerous or chemicals, poisonous chemicals in them, and they release that chemicals so that they can prevent themselves from the danger. So once they know that there is a danger, they can prevent, right? So if one tree knows that there is a danger which is going to be there, it passes on the message to the other tree with the roots, and the other tree saves itself. So in this way, they communicate with the roots, okay? Through roots, the trees communicate. Now, see, so what all things does a tree give us? See, so many things. It removes carbon dioxide, it gives us oxygen, it gives us fruits, it keeps our environment cool. So many things does a tree does. But a very wise person has said this: if you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. But if you plant a tree, you plant a life. So you're supposed to plant trees. Now the mango seeds you're eating so many mangoes at home, you're eating so many fruits at home. Try to grow them in small pots, and then later when this lockdown is over and all, we can plant them outside on the mountain or something. So we can grow these plants, grow more plants, and then we can save life, okay, as they give us oxygen. Okay, I can see a lot of planting going on. I can see a lot of messages. So many children have done beautiful plantation trees, beautiful things. Okay, so keep it up and do not stop here. Keep on planting. Use waste bottles for it. So this is a little bit information about the trees, and let us go to our story. Are you ready for a story? Are you all waiting for a story? Do you want to hear a story? So what do we do? Roll our hands. Roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. Everybody do this, do this, do this. Everybody do this just like teacher. Everybody do this, do this, do this. Everybody do this just like teacher. Everybody do this, do this, do this. Everybody do this just like teacher. Now cross your hands and listen to this beautiful story, okay? And there is a surprise at the end of the story, okay? So listen the story very carefully. Listen to the story very, very carefully, okay? So can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is visible.
Okay. Okay. So today's story is, the title of this today's story is The Seed. So everything is relating to trees and plants, okay? So today's today's title of the story is The Seed. So do you know who is she? She is a small girl. She is a small child like you, and her name is Lali. What is her name? Her name is Lali, and she is playing in the garden. Okay, she's playing, and she's playing all alone. Can you see? But she is enjoying. What is she doing? She is skipping. What is she doing? She is skipping, and she has a skipping rope. What is it called? A skipping rope. She is skipping, and what do we generally do when we are skipping? We count. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and she was skipping, and all of a sudden she saw something lying on the ground. Can you see in this picture? She's seeing something lying on the ground. And she goes near it and she picks it up in her hand. And she says, this is not a rock. It is not a mud. Let me see what is it. And she rubbed it and she saw it was a seed. What was it? It was a seed. It was a seed of a fruit. She didn't know which seed it was. So she thought, what shall I do with this seed? So she went to the garden and she picked up an empty pot. She put some mud and soil into the empty pot and she pressed the seed into the soil. Okay, you must have also done the same thing. She put the seed into the pot in the soil and she watered it. Good.
मैम ये वाला आप हिंदी में भी बोल देंगे क्या? दोनों स्लाइड.
हाँ, यस. उसने क्या किया? देखो, उसने गमला ले लिया, उसने एक पॉट ले लिया, एक एम्प्टी पॉट ले लिया और उसने क्या किया? उसमें मिट्टी डाली, मड डाला, सॉइल डाला उसके अंदर और उसको जो सीड मिला था वो सीड उसने उसके अंदर डाल दिया, प्रेस किया, उसको दबा के डाल दिया अंदर. See, now we can see she is watering. अभी वो क्या कर रही है? अभी वो पानी डाल रही है. उसको मालूम है सॉइल में डालने से प्लांट नहीं आएगा. आपको क्या करना है? आपको उसको पानी भी तो देना है, उसको तो प्यास लगती है. हाँ? The seed also feels thirsty. So she took a mug and she started pouring water. उसने पानी डालना शुरू किया. डुक 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 डुक. और उसने क्या किया? वो गमले को, वो पॉट को उसने धूप में रख दिया. Can you see in the second picture? She has kept the pot in the sunlight so that the plant can get sunlight. Yes? Then she started waiting. Every day Lali used to water the seed. She used to take good care of her plant. She used to clean all the dirt and she used to keep the plant in the sunlight. हर रोज वो ऐसे करती थी, उसको वो पानी डालती थी, उसकी देखभाल करती थी, उसको धूप देती थी. ज्यादा धूप भी नहीं दे सकते, ज्यादा पानी भी नहीं दे सकते, पर वो बहुत अच्छे से उसका ख्याल रख रही थी. और वो खेलती थी, वो कहीं भी जाती थी वो गमला लेके जाती थी. Wherever she used to go, she used to take the pot with her. Okay? And after a few days, oh my God, what did she see? She saw a teeny weeny plant. उसने क्या देखा? एक छोटा सा पौधा आया है. आप देखो ये वाले गमले में, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको छोटा सा पौधा. हाँ, उसको भी दिख गया और वो बहुत खुश हो गई. She was very, very, very happy. She was so excited. Oh my God! Oh my God! I got a new plant! Yay! Hooray! Hooray! Yippee! और वो क्या करने लगी? आप क्या करते हो जब आप एक्साइटेड हो जाते हो? यहाँ वहां भागते हो. वो भी वही कर रही है. She also starts running everywhere. She starts doing somersaults. She is doing headstand. See here, she is doing headstand. She is doing somersaults. And she's so happy and she's so excited. पर एक प्रॉब्लम था. उसको मालूम ही नहीं था वो सीड कौन सा है. क्या आने वाला है ये प्लांट में से? What will she get from this seed? So she was very, very eager. So she went to her grandmother. दादी 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 देखो, मुझे एक छोटा सा पौधा आ गया. मेरे गमले में एक छोटा सा पौधा आ गया है. लेकिन क्या है ये? Is it a tree? दादी, ये बड़ा होके एक बड़ा पेड़ बनेगा? क्या बनेगा ये? दादी क्या बोलती थी? दादी को तो मालूम ही नहीं था, क्योंकि उसको मालूम ही नहीं था कि उसने कौन सा सीड डाला है, कौन सा बीज बोया है. वो बोलती थी, हमें बस अभी देखना है. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch. Oh, but Lali was not happy with this answer. What did she do? She was so excited. उसको मालूम ही करना था कि ये कौन सा पेड़ है. तो उसने क्या किया? वो गई अपनी दादाजी के पास. दादाजी दादाजी दादाजी, प्लीज आप मुझे बताओ, देखो ये मेरा पौधा तो आया है, लेकिन ये कौन सा पौधा है? आपको कुछ मालूम है? प्लीज आप मुझे बता दो. दादाजी ने पौधे की तरफ देखा, लेकिन दादाजी के पास भी उसका उत्तर नहीं था. वो बोले, अरे मुझे तो मालूम नहीं तुमने कौन सा बीज बोया है बेटा, तो कैसे बताऊंगा मैं? तो दादाजी said, you have to wait and watch. Wait and watch. But still Lali was not happy. Lali को तो एकदम ये था कि क्या आएगा इसके अंदर से अभी, है ना? तो भागते भागते अभी गई किसके पास? पापा के पास. पापा पापा पापा, डैडी डैडी डैडी, प्लीज मुझे बता दो ये मेरा पेड़ क्या होगा? इसको फ्लावर्स आएंगे, इसको फूल लगेंगे? कौन से कलर के फूल आएंगे? रेड लगेगा, येलो लगेगा? उसको स्मेल होगी क्या? Will it smell? Will it smell nicely? Will it have a beautiful fragrance? But Daddy did not have the answer. पापा को भी पता नहीं था. उसने कौन सा बीज बोया है तो पापा कैसे बताएंगे? अभी तो एक ही उसको पत्ता आया है, कैसे बताएंगे पापा? तो पापा ने भी सेम ही उत्तर दिया. उसने क्या बोला? उन्होंने क्या बोला? Just wait and watch. अभी हमें बस देखना है, तुम उसकी अच्छे से देखभाल करो और हम देखेंगे कि क्या आता है. ठीक है? मगर लाली को तो विश्वास ही नहीं था पापा पे. तो वो क्या गई भागती 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 अपनी मम्मी के पास. कहाँ जाते हैं बच्चे? मम्मी के पास, क्योंकि उनको मालूम है, मम्मा को तो सब कुछ मालूम है. तो वो गई मम्मी के पास. देखो वो कितना सैड हो गई है. लुक एट हर फेस, शी इज सो सैड. वो मम्मी को बोली, मम्मी मम्मी, मैंने तो बीज बोया है और उसका पेड़ भी आया है. सी आई कैन सी अ प्लांट आल्सो, बट कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी? आप मुझे बताओगे कि ये कौन सा पौधा बनेगा? ये पेड़ बनेगा या क्या करेगा? ये फूल देगा या मुझे फ्रूट्स देगा, अच्छे अच्छे फल देगा जिसे मैं खा सकती हूँ, मीठे मीठे फल देगा, या क्या करेगा? प्लीज मुझे बताओ. मम्मी ने भी पौधे की तरफ देखा और बोली, नहीं बेटा, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम है, बस हमें इसका ख्याल रखना है आपको और उसको पानी देना है. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच, wait and watch. But Lali was not happy. She went running happily to her sister. दीदी के पास गई. दीदी 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 क्या कर रही है? दीदी क्या कर रही है? दीदी डांस कर रही है? क्या कर रही है दीदी? दीदी सो रही है? नहीं, दीदी तो बुक पढ़ रही है. देखो, वो बुक पढ़ रही है. वो पढ़ रही थी. She was reading a book. और लाली आई पौधा लेके. दीदी 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 देखो, मेरे पास ना एक छोटा सा पौधा आया है. मैंने बीज बोया था और अच्छा सा एक पौधा आया है. आप मुझे बता दो ना प्लीज, ये बहुत ऐसे लंबा होगा क्या? आपके जैसे लंबा होगा क्या? वो दीदी हंस रही थी. आई डोंट नो लाली, मुझे मालूम नहीं है ये आपने कौन सा बीज बोया है. मैं कैसे बताऊंगी आपको कि इसमें से क्या आएगा और ये कितना लंबा जाएगा, कितना लंबा होगा. तो हमें क्या करना है? बस पानी डालो, उसकी देखभाल करो, हम लोग देखेंगे कि कौन सा आता है पौधा. लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच, वेट एंड वॉच. But Lali was not happy again until she gets the answer what she wants. So she runs again. वो भागते भागते कहाँ गई अभी? वो गई अपनी भैया के पास, बड़े भैया के पास. भैया क्या कर रहा है? भैया क्या कर रहा है? खाना खा रहा है? Is he eating food? भैया is dancing? नहीं, भैया क्या कर रहा है? भैया तो देखो क्या कर रहा है, बनाना लेके नोज पे उसको बैलेंस कर रहा है. देखो हाउ फनी. भैया इज बैलेंसिंग बनाना ऑन हिज नोज. और लाली बोल रही है, भैया आप बताओ ना प्लीज, ये कौन सा पौधा होगा बड़ा होके? ये छोटा सा ही रहेगा क्या, इतना सा, या बड़ा होगा, लंबा होगा दीदी की तरह? भैया बोले, मुझे मालूम नहीं है लाली, अभी मैं अगर देखूंगा तो मेरा बनाना नीचे गिर जाएगा. मुझे मालूम नहीं है लाली, मैं बाद में देखूंगा. ओ, तो लाली तो बहुत सैड हो गई. शी बिकेम वेरी सैड. वो चली गई और बैठ गई. वो पौधे को देखते रह गई, इमेजिन करती रही कि अभी क्या करूं, मुझे मालूम नहीं है क्या होगा आगे होके, बड़ा होके क्या बनेगा. विल ही बी अ श्रब, छोटा सा पौधा होगा? विल ही बी अ बिग ट्री, ये बड़ा पौधा बनेगा, बड़ा बड़ा पेड़ बनेगा? ये फल देगा, विल ही गिव फ्रूट्स, या फूल देगा, और विल ही गिव फ्लावर्स? I don't know. But then she thought to herself, never mind, it doesn't matter at all. It is my plant. Whatever it can become, it can become. Okay? it doesn't matter. I don't care now. Okay? Let it be what it wants to be. Let it grow what it wants to be. And I will just take care of my loving plant. Okay? नारी ने क्या कहा? कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे तो मेरा पेड़ पसंद है. जैसे भी बने, कुछ भी, फल दे दे, फूल दे दे, फूल नहीं भी देगा, फल नहीं भी देगा तो फिर चलेगा, ये तो मेरा ही प्लांट है, मैं तो इसकी अच्छे से देखभाल करूंगी. ओके, सो शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी इन द एंड. नाउ टुडे आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू कंप्लीट दिस स्टोरी. आपको क्या करना है? आपको थिंक करना है कि ये पौधा बड़ा होके आपको क्या लगता है ये क्या बनेगा? मुझे क्या लगता है मालूम है आपको? ये बड़ा होके ना पीपल का पेड़ बनेगा, बैनियन ट्री. और फिर मैं क्या करूंगी, अगर वो बड़ा हो जाएगा तो मैं पीपल के ट्री के अंदर क्या करूंगी, एक झूला लगाऊंगी और मैं झूले के ऊपर बैठ के स्विंग करूंगी. ये मुझे लगता है, ठीक है? लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है ना? अभी यहाँ पे आपको मम्मी डैडी के व्यूज नहीं लेने हैं. आप थिंक करो, आपको क्या लगता है? कुछ भी हो सकता है. आपको थिंक करना है और आपको ड्रॉ करना है बाद में, और ड्रॉ करके पिक्चर भेजना है. ये आपको जल्दी में नहीं करना है. डोंट हरी टू डू दिस वर्क. आफ्टर द सेशन think for it, think what will be the ending for this story, what Lali's plant will grow into, and what will she do with this pot or plant. Okay, you have to think. It can be any funny thing, okay? Don't restrict your imaginations. It can be any funny thing. So think about it and draw a picture and send it to us. You can send the pictures by tomorrow also. But you need to imagine, the children need to imagine this thing. Okay? Parents, don't feed your ideas into the child's mind. We want the children to think. Okay? Let's do this, and this will be for your today's work after the session. We have not completed the session. A beautiful poem is waiting for you. Okay?
So everybody will send the drawing tomorrow, right? You can take your time and draw beautiful your imagination and share it with us tomorrow. Okay? Very nice.
Okay. Now all of you, you are having all your cutouts ready. Yes? If anyone has not got cutouts, that is also fine. You can take an empty paper and we will draw as we take this poem. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, but before starting this, I want you all, you must be having Rangila colors or any watercolor which is safe, child safe. No sketch pens, okay? I want you all to color your fingers green color. Green color, okay? Let us feel the texture of this color. Okay, even I'm going to color my fingers green. Okay, so take color and then just put it on your fingers. See. And see, how is it? Is it sticky? Is it cold? कैसे लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है? कैसे लग रहा है? Sticky sticky लग रहा है? All 10 fingers, okay? Both hands. So again, with your left hand, try to put color on your right hand. Okay? So again, this is an activity, see? Everyone doing it? Sir, I'm not able to touch my laptop if you can see.
Yeah, I think we are able to see it. So children, everybody pick up the green color. Everybody pick up the green color. Very nice. And roll all the fingers. All the fingers should be green. Okay, watercolor.
See?
Very nice. Not the sketch pen. Yeah, just the watercolor.
Just watercolor and child safe colors, parents specifically. And after this activity, please wash it carefully, basically near the nails. Okay.
Everybody pick up the green color. बेटा सब लोग ग्रीन कलर ले लो, पानी में थोड़ा सा करके उसको सभी फिंगर्स पे लगाना है. Very nice, Avni. Very
See,
nice.
the texture is sticky. My colors are sticky, little sticky.
Very nice.
That is okay. We can feel the sticky texture.
Prayasi, very nice. Everybody take out green color. हरा कलर लेना है, हरा कलर और अपने को फिंगर्स पे लगाना है. हरा कलर, green color. Very nice. Wow. Aisha, very nice.
Very nice, Aisha. Yes. Even Adya. Yes. Beautiful Adya. Very nice.
Very nice.
Let it dry.
Bharat,
Okay.
very nice.
You can
Bharat,
have fan.
you have complete color. Wow. Very nice. Purvang,
Okay.
very nice.
Ashi, very good, Ashi.
Priyansh, very nice. Wow, Sanvi, very nice.
Arya, Ira, very good, Ira. I can see your green color. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Spruha, you don't want to do it? आपको कलर नहीं लगाना है?
Very nice, everybody.
I think she's trying to tell something, but we have muted her. Okay.
Yeah, we have muted everybody. So.
Yeah. Okay. Now see, there are few people in this world who cannot talk. Okay. So what do these people, how do these people convey what they want to tell to others or what they want? So they use sign language. What do they use? They use sign language. So with their fingers and with their hands, they do the actions so that the other person knows what he wants to tell. So first we will do this poem with the sign language, with your fingers, okay, and hands. And then later we will use the cutouts. So now do not use the cutouts, just keep them ready. And stepwise, I will tell you what action to do for every part. Okay, just do the actions now. Later we will see what to do with the cutouts. Okay, are your colors dry? Shall we start? Okay, see, I have tried to make this poem at home with the material which is available. Okay, so can you see the screen?
Yes,
here?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first action is ground. So what action will you do for ground? You have to do like this. Okay. So action for the ground is like this, flat ground. Okay. Then for action for the hole, see, hole. Make an arm around hole. All of you make these actions. You do these actions. Okay. Hole. This is a hole with your hand. Okay. This is a ground. This is a ground. This is a hole. And this is the grass. What is it? It's a grass. Come on. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is the grass. So, shall we start the poem? There was a hole. So, this is my hole. There was a hole. Hole in the middle of the ground. The prettiest hole that you ever did see. The hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. Are you able to follow, or shall I go more slow?
That's fine, ma'am.
That's fine. So this is a hole, ground, and grass. Now in that hole, there was a seed. Can you see the seed? This is my seed. With the fingers, we are going to make a seed like this. Make a seed like this. Okay, this is a seed. Okay, this is the seed. The circle is a seed. So in that hole, there was a seed, the prettiest seed that you ever did see. So the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And in that seed, so what comes out of the seed?
बीज लगाएंगे तो क्या आएगा? पेड़ आएगा. Very nice.
Okay. Okay. So we get a tree. पेड़. अभी पेड़ के लिए action क्या करना है? You have to do this action. Okay. See, do this action, all of you. Tree. Okay. Tree. So there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. So the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that tree, there was a branch. Now, how will we do the action for branch? The branch is straight, right? So do like this, branch. Yes. So on that tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. So the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that branch, what is there on a branch? Can you imagine? There was a nest. What was there? A nest. So for the nest, we will do the action of a cupped hands. Cup your hand like this. ऐसे करना है आपको. Yes, this is your nest. Okay, pretend that this is a nest. Okay. On that branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. So the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And what is there in the nest? What is there in the nest? There was an egg. Yes. So we will make our egg like this. Make a fist. All of you make a fist. This is our egg. Okay. And in that nest, there was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever did see. So the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that egg, कौन बैठता है egg के ऊपर? कौन बैठता है? किसका egg होता है? Bird का, है ना? So on that egg, there was a bird. So for bird, what we'll do? We will fly. Okay? For action of bird, we will fly. Okay? And on that egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see. So the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And how do birds fly? What do they have? Do they have fur? No, they have feather. What do they have? Feather. See? So with feathers they fly. Yes? So we will do action of feather like this. Can you do like this? This is our feather. सबको करना है. देखो feather बनाओ finger से. Finger को move करो. Shake your finger. This is your feather. Okay? So, and on that bird, there was a feather, the prettiest feather that you ever did see. So the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. Now, on this feather, there was a teeny weeny insect. What was there? A teeny weeny, a very small, एक छोटा सा insect था. Okay, so this is our insect, teeny weeny insect. So there was an insect. I'm putting here. Okay. So on that feather, there was an insect, teeny weeny insect. So the insect on the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. So this is the poem. This is the action rhyme. So what we can do is, I hope you remember the actions for every part. Okay. Now, when we are doing it with the craft, you must have the cutouts, right? So with the cutouts, we can start putting the pieces together and we can sing this rhyme together. I will sing it, you put it. You put the pieces together, okay? I will sing it for you, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready with your cutouts? Okay. There are few children who are still getting ready. If you don't have the cutouts, with the simple steps, you keep drawing, okay? As we do the poem, you can keep on drawing also. Now, if parents are close by, if you want to reuse these cutouts, yes, if you want to reuse these cutouts, you can stick these paper cutouts on a thick cardboard. And these are the cards which will be ready. So you can reuse this. Now don't stick anything, because we can reuse these cutouts which you are having. So these cutouts you can stick on the cardboard and you can later play with this. So the whole sequence, you can do it again. So if you stick it now, you cannot do it later, right? So if you don't stick it, you can reuse it. फिर से आप लोग इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इसको फिर से कार्डबोर्ड पे स्टिक कर दो ये कटआउट्स को, और ये पजल्स आपके रेडी है, तो आप ये रीयूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, रेडी? शैल वी स्टार्ट? शैल वी स्टार्ट? ओके. There was a hole. Put your hole on the paper or on the floor. There was a hole in the middle of the ground, the prettiest hole that you ever did see. So the hole in the ground and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And in that hole, there was a seed, the prettiest seed. Put your seed in the hole. There was a seed, the prettiest seed that you ever did see. So the seed in the hole and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And in that seed, there was a tree. Keep your tree cut out on top of the hole. Yes, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. So the tree in the seed and the seed in the hole and the green and the hole on the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that tree, there was a branch. If you have a branch, you can keep it. If you don't have, you can just draw a branch, okay? There was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever did see. So the branch on the tree, and the tree in the seed, and the seed in the hole, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. Till here, correct? Now what was on the branch? There was a nest. So on that branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever did see. So the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the seed, and the seed in the hole, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And in that nest, there was an egg. Can you make egg? Egg. Yes, put your egg in the nest. There was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever did see. So the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the seed, and the seed in the hole, and the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see. It's okay if you don't have the cutouts, you can keep on drawing. Okay, Anaga, you can keep drawing according to the sequence. It's okay. Yes, I'll show the craft. Yes. 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 Can you see it? Okay. So there was a bird on the egg. So on that egg, There was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see. So the bird on the egg, and the egg on the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the seed, and the seed in the hole, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that bird, there was a feather, the prettiest feather that you ever did see. So the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed on the ground, the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. And on that feather, there was an insect, a teeny weeny insect or a bug. There was a bug, the prettiest bug that you ever did see. So the bug on the feather on the bird on the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the seed in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grew all round, and the green grass grew all round. Done? Are you all done putting your cutouts together? Very good. So if you want, you can put it on a thick paper, these cutouts, and you can reuse this sequencing. Okay. So this will make your memory very sharp. If you keep on doing the sequencing, it will keep your memory very sharp. Okay. There is a game. Till all of you are doing it, I'll just explain it. So if you're playing in a family, like we used to do when we were traveling, so mama, papa, baby, didi, whoever are there, so we are all there, and we were playing this. Now how we do this, you decide like name of people, name of a place, something like that, topic you can decide. And very good, Ashi, I can see it. If you don't stick it, you can reuse it. Okay, if you don't stick it, you can reuse that craft again. Okay. So when you're sitting together, if you decide the topic of name, so what we can do is one person will tell the name, and the other person, when he's saying what name he wants to talk or tell, he will add the previous name in it. Like, sir, are you interested in playing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone, any other teacher who has joined? I think
Tapti ma'am is there.
Okay, we can try playing out this game so that parents can get an idea.
I will just unmute some of them.
Yeah.
Whoever is, I can. So let me check who are there. Trapti ma'am. Okay, I'll.
So it's okay. We three also can play it. That's fine.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. So I'll take a name of a person, yes. And then you can add your name, but first take whatever name I have taken. Like if I say Amol first, you have to say Amol and the name then. Then Trupti ma'am will continue doing that with the previous two names. In that
okay. Yeah. So testing my memory.
You have to add a tail to that.
Okay. Yeah. We can start.
Yes. I'll take Amol. We'll start with that. Amol.
Amol, Prem.
Yes.
Then ma'am, I don't think Varad is there. Varad, can you hear? Hindu is there.
Yes. Sakshi ma'am, you can, yeah.
Lower Latika.
You have to take the previous two names and add the name. So you're not supposed
to. दोन सांगायचे. Amol, Prem आणि तुझं एक नवीन सांग.
Yes.
Amol, Prem and Purva. नाही तिन्ही आधी सांगायचे.
Amol, Prem, Purva.
Yes. Now the fourth person.
Hinduvi, you're there? Hinduvi. Or let us play in three actually.
Yeah. That is also fine. So Amol, Prem, Purva and Rutvi.
Amol, Prem, Purva, Rutvi, Sanjay. I can add one more name, right?
Yes, you have to add.
Sanjay.
Now tu सांगत आहे.
Purva,
Rudvi
Rudvi, Sanjay,
and Varad.
Varad.
Okay,
Oh
so
my.
now I have to take all these names. Amol, Prem, Purva, Rutvi, Sanjay. I don't remember what you said.
Varad.
Varad, yes, Varad. And I'll take my name, Madhuri.
आता मी सांग.
Amol, Prem, Rutva, um,
नहीं
Sanjay.
sir, Amol, Prem, Purva. So it is fun if you keep on adding. And we had gone up till 21 names. So that was
Wow.
our record. So
Wow.
you can keep adding and see how you can break your record.
Very
break your own
nice.
records.
I think it's a nice mind game, memory game actually. Very nice.
Yes. And one more thing, parents, see, I missed this part. Take 2 crayons and 1 paper. And
आलं ना game.
see, I'll show you my this thing later. You can ask.
Varad, इथं बस.
Ask your children to write with your left and right hand both. So it is difficult to write when you're only using your left hand. Okay. So like first you start with simple shapes like
Don't-
circle. Okay. My paper is moving, I guess. Just wait. See. So clockwise first, then you go anti-clockwise. Okay. The children who are from junior and senior KG, you can try writing alphabets with both your hands working. Okay. So when you're doing this, the blood supply towards your left brain also goes. Okay. So I'll try to write A. I'll try to write B. It will not be perfect, but
Wow.
see.
This is just amazing actually, ma'am. This is really good.
Yes. So we, difficult part is, sir, when you do different shapes, like left hand is
Yes.
doing circle and the right hand is doing triangle. That is very tricky. I tried doing it, but eventually the circle became the triangle or the triangle became the circle. So
Very nice. तो बच्चों ये तुम्हें ट्राई करना है अपने घर पर. You can take pencil, chalks, crayons, किसी से भी तुम ये कर सकते हो. बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है ये.
okay.
You can draw triangle, star, circle, A, B, C, D, whatever. Single, sleeping line, vertical line, whatever. दोनों हाथ से एक साथ एक जैसा करना है.
And try playing stone, paper, scissors also with both your hands. You don't need a friend to.
सबको समझ में आया ये? Show thumbs up if you all understand what we are trying to do. Everybody, show thumbs up. You all will do it. Show thumbs up. Everybody. सब लोग ये दोनों हाथ से ट्राई करेंगे घर पे. दोनों हाथ से एक जैसा ड्राइंग करना है. कुछ भी जो भी तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है वैसा करना है. Sleeping line, standing line, A, B, C, D, circle, triangle. Wow. You can write hello also. Very nice.
Yes.
तो दोनों हाथ से करेंगे तो उसमें और मजा आएगा. Right?
Yes.
Very good.
Okay, and don't forget to complete your story. We want to see the picture, how you want to end the story. So
Yeah,
by tomorrow you can send the
correct.
picture of that too.
So draw a beautiful drawing, color it, and share your story after, what happens to the small beet, that
Dali,
small
yes.
sapling, right?
Plant. Yes.
कितना बड़ा प्लांट बना, क्या बना, फ्लावर वाला बना कि कौन सा बना, that you imagine and draw it and color it and share it. Okay, everybody will do it. Show thumbs up. Wow, very nice.
Okay. I think so we are done.
Yeah, thank you. I'll just unmute them, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Wash
thank
your hands,
you.
everyone. Color.
Everybody show your colors. Show your hands. Everybody show your hands.
Yes. Wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands. All of you wash your hands.
Thank you.
Hello. Amazing session, ma'am. Very good. Very nice. Thank you, everybody. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta.
This was just for
Thank you.
Bye.
मगाशीच दिलीये जेवणासारखं खातो का
Keep doing your eye exercises and your brain exercises, left hand, right hand.
Bye bye.
Welcome. Bye, beta.
when up.